4:20 a.m. Los Angeles. No movement, no traffic, just the sound of the city. For about 20 minutes she would sing her song until the city starts back up again. I call this place sanctuary because it helps take my mind off the pressure. An innocent bicycle accident on the movie studio lot led to 3 lacerated tendons, me being disabled and now homeless. I needed a job, a car, and a place to live. Rule number 1, don't look homeless. That's Esmeralda. Her and I became sort of a plug for the Los Angeles underground, and we flew through the lives of thousands of people with thousands of offers. But honestly, these border runs were starting to get on my nerves. People were becoming a numbers game until I met her, Mistress. Our first encounter together changed everything. She would become a sort of Racer X and was always there when I needed her most. Remember, it only takes a moment to change your life. One moment, one look, one letter, one phone call.